Schisandra is a climbing shrub native to northern China, known for its small medicinal berries. These berries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries and are considered an adaptogen, meaning they are believed to enhance focus, improve coordination, and boost endurance. But what does clinical research actually say about Schisandra? Let's explore the science to understand what health benefits you can realistically expect from taking it. Schisandra is often marketed as a remedy for stress, but the evidence from human studies is somewhat limited. The only study that currently exists is a small clinical trial involving healthy, fatigued women under experimental stress conditions that looked at the effects of a 270 milligram dose of a specialized product called Adapt232, which contained Schisandra as well as rhodiola and Siberian ginseng. The study found that the supplement improved cognitive speed and accuracy under stress compared to a placebo. However, since the product contained other ingredients, we cannot say whether these benefits were due to the Schisandra alone. Schisandra is also touted for enhancing physical and athletic performance. A small clinical study involving women found that taking 500 milligrams of Schisandra powdered extract twice daily for 12 weeks slightly increased knee extension strength, although it didn't affect overall muscle mass compared to a placebo. Similarly, another small study in older adults over 50 showed a slight improvement in knee extension strength with the same Schisandra regimen, but again, no increase in muscle mass compared to placebo. Schisandra is believed to help balance hormones during menopause. A small clinical trial involving women with moderate menopausal symptoms showed that taking 784 milligrams of Schisandra extract daily for 6 weeks slightly improved hot flashes and other symptoms compared to a placebo. Although Schisandra has been the subject of some clinical research, it's not very well studied in humans. It's often combined with other herbs in traditional Chinese remedies, but its effectiveness for specific medical conditions, especially when used alone, lacks strong support from clinical trials. The few trials that do exist are all small, weak, and have not been independently replicated. It's also important to note that the research on Schisandra's benefits usually involves specialized extracts standardized to Schisandrin compounds, not the generic Schisandra supplements you commonly find on the market. Most of these supplements aren't standardized at all, so the benefits observed in these studies likely do not apply to them. To see similar effects, you would need to seek out a standardized extract like Adapt232. That being said, Schisandra has long been used as a general adaptogen in traditional medicine, largely because of the variety of beneficial nutrients found in its berries. These nutrients are what make Schisandra valuable in traditional practices, where it's commonly used in teas, beverages, jams, and seasonings as a functional food with unique flavor. Schisandra berries have a complex taste that combines all 5 basic flavors: salty, sweet, sour, pungent, and bitter, earning them the nickname, quote, 5-flavored fruit. The taste has been described as tart and sour, followed by a hint of sweetness, with underlying bitter and salty notes and a subtle earthy finish. Because of its nutritional content, it may be more accurate to think of Schisandra as a functional food with nutritional benefits, rather than just a herbal extract with medicinal properties. Schisandra berries contain antioxidants and other beneficial nutrients like lignans, phenolic acids, flavonoids, triterpenoids, organic acids, vitamins, and polysaccharides. You can think of it like other nutritious foods such as blueberries or oatmeal, which offer various general health benefits thanks to all their beneficial nutrients. Just as eating a single blueberry or a pinch of oatmeal won't have much impact, the same goes for Schisandra. You need to consume a meaningful portion regularly to see benefits. So Schisandra's value likely lies in the array of nutrients it provides as part of a nutritious diet. This is why, unless you're using a specialized extract standardized as Schisandrin, most generic Schisandra supplements in pill form may not offer much benefit. Schisandra tinctures are especially ineffective as they contain too little of anything to be useful. Instead, you might consider using Schisandra powder as a nutritional supplement, focusing on its role as a nutritious food rather than a specific medicinal herb. Nutritionally, Schisandra berries are actually quite similar to goji berries, another popular superfood, which typically costs less than Schisandra per weight. If you're looking for an even more cost-effective alternative to either of them, flaxseed and chia seed offer comparable benefits, being rich in many of the same vitamins, lignans, phenolic acids, and flavonoids that make Schisandra berry powder so nutritious. At the end of the day, the best way to use Schisandra as an adaptogen is to treat it like a greens or protein powder by adding a scoop to your smoothie or food. However, goji berries, flax seeds, and chia seeds offer similar nutritional benefits, and being that they're much easier to find and more affordable, I'd recommend sticking with those instead. Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Yeung. Do you use Schisandra, and what are your experiences with it? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and leave me a like. Hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date, and share this video with someone you know can use the info.